Hello everyone, welcome to BeBiological. Today we will discuss about altruism and kin selection. Altruism or selflessness is the principle or practice of concern for the welfare of others. This is the opposite of selfishness. Altruism is a well-documented animal behavior which appears most obviously in kin relationships but may also be evident amongst wider social groups. Here, an animal sacrifices its own well-being for the benefit of another animal. In the science of ethology, the study of behavior, and more generally in the study of social evolution, on occasion, some animals do behave in ways that reduce their individual fitness but increase the fitness of other individuals in the population. Garrulus glandarius, this is the bird which gives loud alarm calls from its tree perch when it sees a predator. It has been shown that predators learn specific localities and specialize individually on prey types and hunting techniques. It is therefore disadvantageous for a bird to have a predator eat a non-specific, because the experienced predator may then be more likely to eat him. Alarming other bird by giving a warning calls tend to prevent predators from specializing on the caller species and locality. In this way, birds in areas in which warning calls are given will be at a selective advantage relative to birds in areas free from warning calls. Cases of animals helping individuals to whom they are closely related can be explained by kin selection and are not considered true altruism. Kin selection is the evolutionary strategy that favors the reproduction and reproductive success of an organism's relatives, even at a cost to the organism's own survival and reproduction. Kin altruism is altruistic behavior whose evolution is driven by kin selection. Kin selection causes changes in gene frequency across generations, driven by interactions between related individuals. This dynamic forms the conceptual basis of the theory of social evolution. Let's see what is Hamilton's rule. Formally, genes should be increased in frequency when Rb is greater than C. Now what is R, B and C? Let's see. R is the genetic relatedness of the recipient to the actor, often defined as the probability that a gene picked randomly from each at the same locus is identical by descent. Now what is B? B is the additional reproductive benefit gained by the recipient of an altruistic act. Now this two will always be greater than C, which is the reproductive cost to the individual performing the act. Reciprocal altruism. In evolutionary biology, reciprocal altruism is a behavior whereby an organism acts in a manner that temporarily reduces its fitness while increasing another organism's fitness, with the expectation that the other organism will act in a similar manner at a later time. The concept was initially developed by Robert Trivers to explain the evolution of cooperation as instances of mutually altruistic acts. This concept is close to the strategy of tit for tat used in game theory. Here are the conditions necessary for reciprocal altruism to evolve. Stephens shows a set of necessary and jointly sufficient conditions for an instance of reciprocal altruism. The behavior must reduce a donor's fitness relative to a selfish alternative. The fitness of the recipient must be elevated relative to non-recipients. The performance of the behavior must not depend on the recipient of an immediate benefit. Conditions 1, 2, and 3 must apply to both individuals engaging in reciprocal helping. And there are two additional conditions necessary for reciprocal altruism to evolve. First, a mechanism to detecting cheaters must exist, and an indefinite number of opportunities to exchange aid must exist. Thank you everyone. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe to my channel and share the video. Best wishes for your future. Thank you.